The world, a giant, beautiful quilt of cultures, people, ideas, and beliefs. This isn't an abstract concept. It's something you're very much a part of. The things you're doing, they have an impact everywhere. So what's our place in the world? What is our responsibility to the people who live near and far? At the Kentucky United Nations Assembly, the young voices of Kentucky are coming together to answer these questions. We believe everyone, no matter how old, has the power to change the world. And the first step to changing the world is to connect, to learn about the people who inhabit our planet, the things they believe and the things that they celebrate, to explore the issues they're facing and the solutions they're proposing to make our world a better place. At KUNA, young leaders are coming together to explore, understand, and share in the joy of vibrant cultures. Most importantly, though, they're there to discuss the things we can do today, right now, from home, from Kentucky, to change the world for the better.